Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Freddie McGregor is the first recipient of the Black History Month Meets Reggae Icon Award. The award was presented to the Push Come to Shove singer recently at the Reggae Icons Award ceremony in the city of Miramar in Florida. Freddie McGregor expressed his appreciation for the award, noting that he was grateful to still be alive to experience getting the award.
I'm very surprised and very pleased that you all came up for this occasion. And I must tell you, when I first got the call, I thought to myself, why me? And there are so many other artists around who could have gotten this award. But I always know that when you work, when you put the work in, at some point you will get paid. And I consider this tonight as a payment for the work that I've done over the years.
The Reggae Icons Award ceremony was held under the patronage of the Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Grange, and falls in line with the government's plans to bring Reggae Month activities to Miramar. Minister Grange, in her address to the awards function, noted that it is important to engage with members of the diaspora so that reggae music will continue to provide opportunities for income generation, wealth creation, and also to promote Black pride. Minister Grange further revealed plans to expand to New York, Washington, Los Angeles, the UK, and Toronto for Reggae Month 2021. Now, Lila Ike will be making musical moves in Europe. Reggae songbird Lila Ike is set to join her mentor, Grammy-nominated artist Protégé, on an upcoming tour of Europe. The Lost Experiences European Tour begins on April 8 and ends on April 26. The Indignation Collective boss and Lila Ike will headline 16 cities back-to-back, performing in multiple venues in Germany, Spain, France, the Netherlands, Belgium, and Switzerland. Dates for the UK will be added in the coming weeks. The upcoming tour is on the heels of Lila's just concluded Sound System solo tour. Lila is best known for songs like Gotti Gotti, Where I'm Coming From, and Second Chance. The Indignation. Now to news overseas, where Rihanna has teamed up with the Neptunes. Pop star Rihanna has teamed up with the Neptunes to possibly make music for her highly anticipated new album, dubbed by her awaiting fans as R9. The Neptunes is a super producer duo that consists of Pharrell Williams and Chad Hugo, who are responsible for some of the biggest hip-hop and pop hit records and have worked with some big names like Jay-Z, Beyonce, Snoop Dogg, and Britney Spears. Considered as two of the most successful producers in history, the Neptunes will be inducted in the Songwriters Hall of Fame in June. Rihanna and the Neptunes previously collaborated on the track Lemon, a pulsating track that saw the Bayesian singer teaming up with Pharrell's funk band NERD. Lemon has been certified 2 times platinum. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.